What's up, dudes? What are you dudes doing, dudes? Hey, dude. What's up, dude? Whoa, whoa. I don't need any of that. I don't need any of that business. You crazy business. I don't want it. Do it. Do it. Whoa, whoa, he's crazy. Oh, he's crazy. Alright, anyway. So, you got yourself a second gen Silverado, or... Okay, that's loud, bud. That was loud. Anyway, if you got yourself a second gen Silverado like I do, or perhaps you got the Suburban, Tahoe, Yukon, whatever the fuck, Cadillac Escalade, anything of this generation. This one here is a 2012, but the generation's what, 08 to 14, 13? You know, we go ahead and got a cabin air filter, you know, because those are nice to have. But you may notice when you go to buy one of these, for one of these, there's no part number listed. There's no cabin air filter even listed in the book, right? And you go up to the counter and you're like, well, what the hell, I can't find this in the book. So they find it for you on the computer, and then they tell you, well, you need a retrofit kit. And you're like, well, what the fuck's that? Well, what that is this. This little cover plate here. Even comes with a screw. Couldn't believe that, but it did. We're gonna get you in here and show you just exactly what you gotta do to put a cabin air filter in one of these some bitches. I'm gonna go from the other side though. Will you stop? So it's my truck. I finally got my own vehicle in here, and every time I open the door, he goes to hop in because he thinks we're going somewhere. We're not going anywhere, bud. So first things first, it looks like we got ourselves a cover. And if we get my hand under here, some indents. One back here, one right here, one right here. Oh, I'm not showing you, my bad. But yeah, I think they're probably gonna be 7 mils, so we'll go grab a ratchet quick and get that off of there. If you can even see what I'm doing, but there's another one right up here. It's a hardcore cage for just the HVAC shit. What the hell? Okay, well, that's not right. So, yeah, that's not right at all. Well, fuck me, guys. I guess we're not doing this. So what's supposed to be going on right here is that we're supposed to be able to cut out and then replace with that door, but there's no place to. Let's see if I can get light. But there's no place to put that bolt. Yeah, that's not right.
Are you stupid or something?
Oh, I'm an idiot. So that thing I was looking at, right there, yeah, that's not it, because it goes right there.
Dumb bitch.
There's the slot back there, and there's the bolt hole. So you see this little panel? That's got to be cut out. I'm just going to use a hot knife, or if I can't use that, maybe a Dremel cut-off wheel. And get that little cover off of there, and then we can put the air filter in. Cabin air filter, that is. Fucking A, I'm such an idiot. Well, as per usual, I find something that works and I just keep going with it. But as you can see, if you can, fuck's sake, we just got a little piece to work with back there, and the rest of it is out and clear. I'm slowly finding with all this gross gunk why it stinks. This does not smell good. But I've just been using that X-Acto knife, so I didn't even need to use the hot knife or die grinder or anything. It's pretty thin plastic, so just run a knife right along that edge, and it snaps on out of there. So just gonna do that last little bit, and then I'll show you throwing the cover on, finishing it up. All right, so jam this filter up in there. You're gonna want to make sure you're going the right way with the airflow. So it's got this accordion shape. That's because you need to bend it just a little bit to get it in, it looks like. So. Come on out of there. I don't have my flashlight pointing at anything, so that's not really helpful. But so yeah, really got to bend the shit out of these air filters. So maybe GM wasn't being lazy when they didn't put cabin air filters in these, because maybe they knew that it was a fucking shitty placement situation. I don't know. But anyway, we got it. It's in there. Of course, this bolt looks like a 1/4 inch and not a 7, which is what I have. Yep, so hang on. Okie dokie. So we take our cover. Oh, of course my lights, my light is dead. You guys probably can't even see anything. Good God. Anyway, take our cover. There's already the factory flat back there and the factory bolt hole. And we just line that up and screw that in. Preferably not crooked. Okay. Crank that down. And there you have it. Got our little door installed and the cabin air filter in there, and hopefully it's not going to stink like crayons anymore. Let's see if that's sealed up. Oh yeah, she sealed up all the way around. Cool. Good deal. I like it. Now I can service that in the future. Oh. Yeah, maybe this will help somebody out. I'm sure there's videos of this already on YouTube, but that's the fastest way. I mean, I'm sure everybody else on YouTube probably did some dumbass shit like a grinder or a hot knife like I was gonna do. You just need a regular old X-Acto. Anyway, thanks for watching Rig Skull. Have yourself a great fucking day.
Goddamn.